helicopter. Let's go jump and crash our helicopter into the volcano. Be awesome.
Okay, sure. Let's just say I have a plan. My plan, let's just say, has worked.
I think I'll find I live.
How? Oh, the helicopter's still there.
Get C4. It's the one to the south of the prison. Tower is the one you're thinking of.
There seems to be a police right here. Does he know I'm here?
Oh yeah, you might wanna leave.
Yeah, he knows I'm here.
Off the road, honestly. It's 60 miles an hour.
Okay. I am now leaving out the top of the volcano. The helicopter only just fits, though.